聊客家。
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back for another round of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this whole month, we're teaching you the phrase 迟到, which means late.
慢多。
慢多 Alice, 你有没有周围有朋友就是每一次都会迟到的？
有啊。
对，所以我们今天来这样的一个对话好吗
OK。
感觉你的眼神之中好像要透露出说什么东西来，是不是？
你没有发觉我一直看你吗？
我们来听听这个状况剧先好不好 Let's hear a conversation about two friends having a conversation about how another friend is always late and maybe he should treat them to dinner.
David 用版係盲來，
giḍdagၤbaiˋdu 慢多。
dengi來hemˋ enlli。
通常朋友们就会有这样子的结果，希望那个人
慢到的就要请客。
对，我听到这个对话里面是一位 David 哈。
对啊，可是我觉得应该要改名字改成就是
我就知道你在看着我引申什么，
是啊。
好，我欠你好几顿 ，OK? So let's break it down, okay? In this story, a friend named David is always late, and let's break it down one by one, okay? David 怎么还没来 Why is David not here yet?
David 用版係盲來。
David 用版還盲來。And of course, the response is 他每次都遲到 He's always late.
giḍdagၤbaiˋdu 慢多。
giḍdagၤbaiˋdu 慢多。Okay, giḍdagၤbaiˋ 就是每一次。
Okay. 對 giḍdagၤbaiˋ
，that's every time, and do 慢多。
對，
慢多 is the phrase we're teaching you to be late. 好了，那只好等他来，叫他請我們 right? We just gotta wait for him, and when he comes, he's gotta treat us.
dengi 來
dengi 來
，giy'qiangษ์enllih
giy'qiangษ์enllih OK, 呛是請 right? That means to treat, and enllih 是
我們
我們
對
他要請一次就要請一群人哦。
是啊，
對，所以約人家來哦，一群人千萬不要遲到，真的會
沒錯。
这种破财。All right, let's teach you some of these phrases right here. First of all, 还没来 not here yet.
係盲來，
還盲來 And then every time 每次
giḍdagၤbaiˋ
And then waiting for him 等他來
dengi 來。
dengi 來 All right, let's listen to the conversation again.
David 用版係盲來，
giḍdagၤbaiˋdu 慢多。
dengi 來hemʼ enllih。
And this month, a no-no, and that is 遲到 to be late.
慢多。
慢多 And remember to treat your friends if you are going to be late. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
漢字say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.